Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn something new today. I don't know if you've run across or heard about generators, and we're going to learn about the keyword yield that is associated with generators. So let's just jump into it. So alright, don't know if you've run across a scenario where you have a number or numbers that you're going through, and or a collection or a iterables or any grouping that you want to go through them, but you don't want to go through them as fast as the range function does. So I'm going to show you an item that will work perfectly for this. So let's just do this while loop that will solve this problem. So alright, and then here's, if I can type, there we go. Knew I didn't type it right because it didn't go orange. In, and then in plus 1. So alright. Here we go. So 5 equals series, and then 5. Okay, so here we go. Declare, while loop, yield the number. Yield is the keyword associated with a generator, where return is associated with a function. So okay, let's run this and let's look at it. Let's see what it does. So alright, type 5. Lo and behold, it's a generator. So let's see what it does. Oops. Now, so this is the keyword. Excuse me. So the way that this really works is we need to use the next function, and this, so then we call our, and we learned about this last time, this is our generator object like we have right here, and lo and behold, let's close this out and let's see what we get. So we get the first item in the generator, then we have, oops, helps if you type next correct, and so on and so forth. So this will exhaust itself once it gets to should be the last one. Should have done 3, shouldn't I? And now look what happens when I do next 5. Boom. Because we ran out of because then this is exhausted because it created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in our generator objects, and we're going to touch on this a little bit later, but here we go. This is how we create a generator. Yield is the keyword associated. Next is the built-in function that we use to operate it, and this is what it looks like in memory. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And thank you for all the questions, comments, and please don't hesitate to leave any video requests below, because those are my absolute favorite. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.